Wear your mask when you come.
Are you looking for a little bit of nature in the middle of the city? We're still open, but that place is closed.
There's 105 acres of plant and wildlife. Check out the turtles.
There's 2 miles of trails. Come on, let's go.
That was fun. Leave no trace. Okay, this way to the trails. Everyone, follow me, scouts. This place kind of looks spooky, though.
Sure it's not haunted?
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
Native Americans used to use these plants to build their canoes.
Come check out the dragonflies. There's many of them here.
You can take a quick break under this tree for some shade and to relax off.
But you should keep off this tree.
But it makes for a cool picture.